Hello student, welcome back to the science class once again. Thank you all for watching the previous videos and an additional thank you for staying home. So, in the last video, we have discussed about the reaction of an acid and base with other substance. Okay, we have even discussed about the reaction between an acid and a base. What was the name of the reaction? The name of the reaction was neutralization reaction. Okay, so what is the definition of neutralization reaction? The reaction between an acid and a base to produce salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. Okay, I hope you can memorize it. So now we are going to discuss about the pH scale. Okay, so this topic is basically based on the indicator. I hope you can recall the topic indicator. In the indicator, what were these indicators? They were those substances which indicated or which tells us whether a substance is acidic or whether a substance is basic by changing their color. Yes. So this indicator used to tell us specifically that particular substance is acidic, this particular substance is basic, this and that, by changing their color, by changing their smell and so on. Right now, an example of that indicator is litmus paper. Yes, but a concept is missing in that case. We can easily know now which one is acidic and which one is basic. But how to know which one is a strong acid? That means whether if a substance is acidic. For example, let us say that the indicator have already indicated that this particular substance is acidic or this particular substance is basic. Now, how to know if it is acidic, then whether it is a strong acid or a weak acid? If that particular substance is basic, then how to know whether it is a strong base or a weak base? We can know it with the help of the pH scale, okay, which we are going to discuss it today. So basically this pH scale used to determine the strength of an acid or a base. Clear? So let us see how it does. So here the pH scale, okay, normally you have a scale for measuring, okay, basically to measure any length and all, we use a scale. Okay, so this pH scale, so the scale which you use for measuring, which you use in mathematics and all, which you use for measuring length and all, they also have a unit now, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Similar to that, the pH scale which we are going to discuss it, which we are going to learn now, this pH scale also has a scale measuring from 0 to 14. It has a number right from 0 to 14, where 7 is the middle one. Here you can just see it in the board. Here I have written acidic nature increasing, here basic nature increasing. In 7 I have written it as a neutral one. Right now, so in this pH scale, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. There are 14 units here. Okay, including 0, then there will be 15 units there. So 0, number less than 7. Okay, in that pH scale, the numbers less than 7 indicates that the substance is acidic. Numbers more than 7, they indicates that the substance is basic. Okay, so basically what is the meaning of this pH? What is the meaning of this pH? P stands for potenge. Okay, potenge means power and H stands for hydrogen, power of hydrogen. Okay, so in this pH scale you will get the numbering, as I have again said, you will get the numbering right from 0 to 14. Okay, numbers less than 7, they indicate that the substance is acidic. More than 7, that means the substance is basic. Clear? So less than 7, as we move on, as the number decreases, when you go on from 7 to 0, okay, as the number decreases, the acidic strength increases. Okay, as we go closer to 0, the acidic strength will increase. Clear? And as we go towards 14, more than 14, okay, then as we move on towards 14, the much closer we are to this 14, the basic strength will increase in that manner. For example, let me just say that I have two substances, that is A and B. Okay, the pH of this A is 13 and the pH of this B is 8. Okay, as I have said you, 7 is neutral. Now the pH of this substance B is 8 and the pH of substance A is 13. Are they acidic or basic? Since the number is exceeding more than 7, okay, that means both of them are bases only. Now how to know which one is a strong base? As you can just see, basic nature increasing. As we go on towards 14, the basic nature will increase. Okay, that means the strength of the base will increase. So what will happen? 13. Since it is more close to 14, so this is a strong base. And this is a weak base. Is it clear, everyone? As compared to the previous one. Now let us see one more example here. I have another substance C and another substance D. Now the pH of this one is 1.2 and the pH of this one is 5. Let me just consider one more substance. Okay, then this one is 4. Clear? Now are they acidic or basic? Now since the values are less than 7 indicates means they are acidic. So these three are acidic, these three are acids. Now whether they are strong acid or weak acid, or which among them is a strong acid. Now since 1.2, as we decrease on, as we go more closer to 0, the acidic strength will increase. So C is a strong acid as compared to the other two. Is it clear, everyone? I hope you have understood about the pH scale. You can just see it here. Okay, in a decreasing manner, increase in H plus ion concentration. In an increasing manner, increase in OH minus ion concentration. Clear? So I hope you have understood about this pH scale. Okay, and remember one more thing, that if the pH of any substance is 7, for example, common salt, the common salt which you consume, their pH is 7. Okay, so it is a neutral one. Okay, the pH of rainwater used to be hardly 7.7, means the water which we consume its pH used to be slightly near to this 7. Okay, any substance with pH 7 is neutral. Less than 7 is acidic, more than 7 is basic. I hope you have understood about this pH scale. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the importance of pH in our day-to-day life. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.